out here on that grind, Granny. I'm still looking for a different shine. No doubt about it. Still gonna be my time. Whenever we see each other again, we can laugh and hug and communicate. I know you in heaven looking down on me. I know you're watching over me gratefully, gracefully. I'm out here grazing the land, man. Yes, Granny, I'm missing you, though. Going to the garage sales every day. I'm picking up toys and games around the way. We come back home and I play with Mikey and Chris. Go and Tim in the backyard like Ambis. We can flip football, freeze tag, hide and go seek. It was just good days just for us. When we was coming up as kids. We never had no worries at all. Damn, Granny, I wish you could call me. Just so I can hear your voice. I miss that communication, that's my choice. I wish I had something with you on it besides a picture. They say it'll last longer, more memories. Yes, indeed, I really have them. Hey, I remember you passed out in the bathroom, hit your head on the toilet, fell behind the door. I tried to pull you out. The paramedics came, Miss Mac came. Hey, 911 came. It was really emergency. It was urgency. Convince me that Granny is my best friend. Hey, I love you all the way to the end. You know how to make me smile. You know how to make me happy. Oh man, you was like my mom and my pappy, all in one. Nice collaboration. I was dedicated to you. I was loyal to you. It was nothing but honesty, loyalty, and respect. Damn, why you had to leave like that? Unexpectedly.